I want to show you how to make pop-up cards. I've shown this in the past, but here's a reminder. You need two pieces of paper that are the same size. You want to make sure that the fold is pointed towards you. Then use a ruler to make a straight line. That'll show you where to cut. And you want to make sure that your cuts, you're going to make two of them, are the same depth, the same length, so that your pop-up isn't wonky. Fold where you cut up to where you cut. You're going to fold it back and forth a couple times. You're seeing me do that here. Then open up the card and you're going to use one of your fingers to push that part that you cut through to the other side of the paper. Then fold that card in half and you've got a place where you can build a pop-up. Let me show you what I mean. I decided that I wanted to put a tree on the pop-up, so when someone opened my card, they would see a tree. I cut it out, and before I glued it down, I made sure that it would fit, and you could see it was very large. It popped out too much. So I made the tree a little shorter. I liked how it looked sort of like a torn bottom. And then I made a little stump. I glued that to that flat part. You'll see in a sec. I glued it to the flat part and holding it down, make sure that glue works. You can see it sticks out a little bit, but that's okay. Now I've got a hole. I'm going to fold another card, another piece of paper, and then glue them together so that I cover up that hole.